says he found Jesus, and that was what he was going after.
Amen.
And he could have stayed with the crowd, but he was like, he wanted to know just who this Jesus man was. It was just like me. I was like, I wanted to know just who this Jesus man was. So instead of staying where I was, instead of staying where he was, he ran ahead. That was faith, because he climbed that sycamore tree. He put his seeking into action. His heart was set on pursuing Jesus, and so he found him. And Jesus passed that way. Not a coincidence that Jesus so happened to pass that way. And he said, Zacchaeus, he knew him. He said, come down, make haste, come down. I must stay with you. And he received him joyfully. The joy of knowing Jesus is far greater than anything. And it's worth the abandonment to him. It's worth not staying with the crowd, but running ahead and finding Jesus. Like, he's just waiting. He waits for us to come to him. He's not some scary God, and he's not hiding. He just waits for us. He calls us. He's calling you. He's calling your name.